Hello and welcome to the Worldwide Markets Daily Forex Wrap. It is April 24th, 2013. We're going to get started with the euro dollar. The euro seems to have be holding the 29.75 level. We're sitting here right now at 1.3021. And as long as we hold this 29.75 level, we will be looking at positions to the upside. Right now the markets have been pretty stagnant over the last 24 to 36 hours, and we're kind of just waiting for something to happen to push these markets in one direction or another. Basically, I'm still looking for European weakness and dollar strength, so I'd like to see this get down below 29.75 and start making a move towards the downside. But we're not going to try to dictate the market. We'll let it dictate what it's going to do for us, and then try to follow along and make a trade. So keep your eyes open. See what happens. If we get a dip below 29.70, look for shorting opportunities. If it does start to drift towards the upside, I'd kind of wait and see what happens, before, use caution on that. Gold, gold is bumping up against this 23.6% Fibonacci level. We've seen it, run all the way down to 1320 and then pull back, and you see that we're making this little resistance here. I still like shorts on gold. I don't think we're going to just pop right back up into the 15 or 1600s. I definitely think there's going to be profit taking correction that's going to have to happen before gold resumes any sort of strength. So wait and see. If it starts to peel off the 1429 level and drift back to the downside, you can use that as a good opportunity for short based on this resistance. If it does pop above the 1430 level, then you could be looking for a possible long. Just be careful. You have this 1452 38.2% retracement from the much larger move. We'll zoom out here and take a look. You see this much larger move, so just be careful with your upside positions on gold, and I personally think we're looking more towards the downside. Same with the Aussie dollar. It's pretty much doing the same pattern, following the same. We had a huge drop off. It pulled back. This 1.0280 technical level, and we're just kind of sitting right there. So once again, we're in a wait and see pattern. For this, and we pretty much want the market to kind of get out of the little funk that it's been in. If you're looking at all these different charts that we're looking at, a lot of it is sideways movement. Same with the dollar yen here. We're pretty much going sideways in the between 99 and 99.95. If we're going to continue to get dollar strength, Japanese yen weakness, I want to see it get over this little resistance that it's created for itself and get into the over the 100 level. If it does start to slowly ease off, and start to head back down, you could see definitely a couple hundred pips worth of move to the downside, similar to what we did last week. So once again, we've been sideways for the last 24 hours or so. Just wait to see when this moves. Euro yen, same story, going sideways. We'll pop to the dollar CAD, also going sideways. We're waiting to see. We had a nice little pop on oil off this double bottom that we talked about earlier in the week, and that should lead to a downward move here. So we've kind of created a little bit of resistance here at the 103 level, and if oil continues to show strength, I would definitely look for some shorting opportunities on the dollar CAD. Last but not least, dollar Swiss is pretty much the only thing that's been moving over the last few days. Dollar strength has continued, and we want to see where it's going to go. We have resistance here at 95.50, 95.60. And if it touches it, we want to see if it's going to break through it. and then we'll go from there. Um, that is all we have for today. Sorry we couldn't be more specific, but simply, when the market's going sideways, you got to wait for it to make a move before you can start to trade. You don't really want to trade a sideways market and try to guess which way it's going to go. So that's all we have for today. Thank you very much for tuning in. Good luck with your trading. Enjoy your day.